Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to protect your car with foil. That's right, you can protect your car, your vehicle, with foil just like this. Any kind of foil, and you basically just need a little bit of it and you can protect your car. Now let me tell you how you can protect your vehicle using the key fob for the vehicle and foil. So one of the many ways that people steal cars is they get the information and they get the signal from your key fob and they use that to break into your car from a distance, okay? So they'll get the information, they'll get the signal from the key fob and they will use that to break into your car even though your key fob is far away from it, okay? Now, what you can do to stop that from happening is you can prevent that signal from getting out into the open air, okay? Now, luckily for you, foil actually has that ability to do that. So all that you need to do is take your key fob, okay? Place it inside of foil, and this is, I think, like a double or triple layer. I got a piece of foil and I folded it up, but you can reuse it over and over again, okay? So don't be shy with how much you're gonna use because you wanna make sure it's gonna work, okay? So you take your key fob, you place it inside of the foil base, so it's inside of the foil base, and then you just completely wrap it in the foil. So my key fob is now completely wrapped in the foil. Now here's the experiment that I did. I went up to my vehicle like this. Okay, and I literally had the key fob right in front of the vehicle and I tried to unlock it, I tried to lock it, tried to do everything, and it would not work because the signal is trapped inside of this foil surrounding, okay? So, before you go to bed at night, what you can do to prevent, to have at least a better chance at preventing your car from being stolen and broken into and stuff and protecting your car is take your key fob, put it inside of a foil base, and then just wrap that foil around. Now, you should do some testing to make sure it works. Make sure the amount of foil that you're using is correct and make sure it works with your key fob. So go like this and go up to your car and try and unlock it and try and lock it. See if it works. And if your car will not unlock or lock, then guess what? The signal is trapped inside. It has to be completely wrapped around. It can't just be like cupped inside of it. It's got to be completely wrapped around. And in addition, you also have to understand that, of course, there are other ways that people break into cars and take cars and stuff like that. So this isn't like a 100% method, of course not. But it is better than just leaving your car key fob on your table or in your closet or in your jacket or in your purse or so forth. It's a better method, right? It gives you a better chance at success for protecting your car. So with that being said, it's not a 100% foolproof method, of course not. But by doing this, you are giving yourself a better chance than just by leaving your car key fob somewhere in the house, or the condo, or the building, or your office, or your work, whatever the case is. And it's literally that simple, but like I said, do some testing, make sure it works with the foil that you're using, sorry about that, I need some water, and with your car key fob and so forth. I'm gonna take a sip of water right now. I have a faucet right here. My throat was really dry, it kind of just like closed for a second there. Anyways, yeah, so try it out, experiment, see if it works. And like I said, it's not a 100% method, but it is better than just leaving your key fob out. And that is how to protect your car with foil. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.